Alhamdulillah, in this video, we will show you how to fix a monitor screen that displays imperfect lines, as you can see in this video. All right, this monitor is an HP brand with the model V203P. However, technically, the repair method we demonstrate here can certainly be applied to various monitor models. All right, to fix such damage, of course, we have to disassemble the monitor casing so that we can access the mainboard of the screen. And here's the mainboard of the HP V203P monitor screen. And after we checked, it turns out there are traces that appear to be peeling off. This usually indicates that these traces are too hot, or known as overheating. We can compare it with other traces that are normal with no signs of peeling. All right, let's continue. Then in this condition, we try to turn on the monitor and we can feel that this IC is hot. Of course, this level of heat should not occur with this type of IC. And we know that the traces that will peel off are directly connected to this IC. Next, we also feel the heat on some resistor components in this area. From this condition, we can conclude that there's too much current passing through those resistors. And the handling step we take is to remove some resistors in this area. There are 5 resistors that we remove. These resistors are connected to traces on this mainboard using the codes CLK1 to CLK5. And it turns out that after that, we test our monitor, and the result is that the monitor works normally again. The screen is no longer damaged as before. Thank you. Hopefully it's useful. Hopefully we can still meet again in the next video.